In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat 2025, specifically focusing on creating a hyperlink within your PDF document. Whether you're looking to make your document more interactive or simply want to provide easy access to additional resources, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease of understanding. First, start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat 2025. If you don't already have your document ready, make sure to locate and open it through Adobe's interface. Now that you have your document open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available on the Adobe Acrobat toolbar. Next, move your cursor up to the top of the interface and click on Edit. This will bring up a panel that gives you numerous options for modifying your document. Here, you need to highlight the specific area or text within your PDF that you wish to convert into a hyperlink. This is a crucial step as this selected area will direct your readers to wherever you link it. If you're working with text and you want to give it that traditional hyperlink appearance, you can change the text color to blue. This is of course optional, but changing the color can make the hyperlink stand out, indicating to users that it is indeed clickable. You can do this by going to the edit panel and adjusting the color in the format text section. While you're still in the edit panel, look for the link button. Clicking here will give you further options. Opt for add or edit links. This action will transform your cursor into a crosshair cursor. With this new cursor, carefully highlight the area or text you wish to link. This indicates to the software the exact boundary of your intended hyperlink. At this stage, a dialog box labeled Create Link will pop up. In this dialog, set the link type to invisible rectangle. This setting will ensure that the link is active but doesn't interfere with your document's aesthetics. Alongside this, set the highlight style to Outline. This choice provides a subtle visual cue, letting users hover over the area to find the clickable link. In the link action section now displayed to you, select the option to open a web page. This directs the hyperlink to function as a bridge from your PDF to an external web resource. Click on Next to proceed to the next part of the linking process. Now it's time to enter the URL you wish to assign to this hyperlink. Be sure to enter the correct and complete URL address. A simple error could result in users being led astray. Finally, exit the edit mode and take a moment to test your hyperlink. Give it a click to ensure that it leads exactly where expected. And there you have it, your hyperlink is now successfully set up within your Adobe Acrobat PDF document. Remember, this tutorial can come in handy anytime you wish to enhance your PDFs with interactive links.